guys, today I've come to a very special video because today we're going to be unboxing tattoo markers and I'm super excited. I ordered this day before yesterday and it came today. So super duper cool package. Look at all these colors. Pink, purple, blue, dark green, orange and silverish kind of thingy. So I'm very excited to open this. And it also said that these free molds will be coming along. Can you see the pictures over here? But it didn't come, so I just don't care. I'm going to do my own design on my hand. So these are not permanent, they're temporary. So let's just start opening in here. Ooh, look. Okay guys, so I had told you that these molds did not come, but there's actually something inside. Let's see what it is. Look here, are these the molds? Oh my god, they're like sticky stuff. It's inside. I thought they were made out of rubber, but this is actually a sticker, so you have to keep it on your hand and then trace on it. Look, there's a butterfly rose. I'm super duper excited to try these. And look for our tattoo markers. I'm so excited. Ta-da! So I'm going to take this pink out. This pink color, can you see that? Cool, right? I'm just going to take this sheet and try at the back how it looks. Ooh. Ooh, look, has tiny hearts here. Just gonna try. So it's like normal markers. So I'm just gonna try this. I'm gonna peel one off. I think I'm gonna take the butterfly and try. So okay guys, I've just put this thing on. And here's the mold. I've just stuck it on my hand. And on top of that, I have colored. See, I hope you can see that now. I'm gonna peel. Ooh, wow, pretty cool design, guys. Look, I think you can see that. See, super duper cute. I love it. So these are super duper cute tattoo markers with any kind of design you want, any cute designs, or maybe you can do whatever design you want, but I just love this and I'm gonna keep tattooing. Bye guys, please like and subscribe.